birsa Khuweto miya tere Biba tere di namza Nami kuni sara gigi sibadu Kumi dugi kuni sa mida gigi sadurangandi Nami kuni sara gigi sibadu Kumi dugi kuni sa mida gigi sadurangandi
What's up, my curious fam? Welcome to another vlog. If you are a newbie coming to this channel for the first time, this is the Curious Fam, a channel where we share everything that you can think of. And if you're an oldie, you guys are most definitely loved and appreciated. This is a new vlog, and as I decided, I'm going to go to church tomorrow. Today is the 8th of Feb 2025. So tomorrow we are going to church. We are going to praise the Lord, worship him, and give thanks to the Almighty. Because why? Because we are always grateful for everything that the Lord is doing for us, you know. So today we are indoors because tomorrow morning we'll be waking up early to prepare to go to church. So for now, the only thing I'll be doing is I'll just be catching up on some of our local YouTubers, and then from there I'll be calling it a night. Because why? Because guys, it was a long day and my feet are aching and I'm super tired. You know, I also wanted to cook, but I just had cornflakes, so that's how tired I am. Imagine eating cornflakes. It just shows how tired I am. But yeah, this is going to be a vlog. I'm going to mix two things. It's a vlog where I'll be going to church, and then immediately after church I will be going out with a friend. Because why? Because I love you guys and am here creating content for you guys so that you guys can enjoy watching my videos. And then since you guys are going to enjoy my videos, you guys will be sharing with your spouse, boyfriends, girlfriends, wives, and husbands to be, so that my channel is going to grow thanks to you guys. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and then share also. Like, don't just be there watching the video. At least like, guys. Even if you don't comment, just like, hit that thumbs up button, and then you just continue watching the video. That way my channel is going to grow. So with all of that being said, I've spoken a lot, so see you on the flip side.
Come on, we can do it all night long.
Bounce, bounce. Come on, baby, just bounce, bounce. More what a merry-go-round. Me and you do it hito banju. 体を任せ踊るこのダンストゥーン。流れのままに Come on, shake your body. 甘い恋に落ちてく二人ゆらり舞う君眺め肩並べ My baby 一人だけ Hey 一つだけの愛 Got your back go live たまにすれ違う But you know it's alright Come on stay with me Come on ride with me
It's all about you and me.
Let me just touch So baby just touch And let me just touch On your body On your body And let me just touch So baby just touch
You gotta stay with me.
You gotta ride with me
Come on, we can do it all night long.
just bounce. Do your step, I'ma do my step. Sekaichu, kimi dake miteru. You know I really want you. Come on baby boo. And let me just touch. So baby just hush. And let me just touch on your body, on your body. And let me just touch. So baby just hush. You gotta ride with me. Come on, we can do it all night long.
Fingers on the track.
Baby, haven't met you yet. What would I be doing now without even knowing the meaning of love? Where did you get lost? Express your feelings well. I can't put it into words, but with you we can understand each other. She has always been and always will be. All my love to you, my endless gratitude to you. To the stars that fall from my eyes, I promise I'll always be by your side. I'm 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 by your side. Chasing an endless dream, I took a step without stopping. I kept believing only in your smile. Before I knew she was in a place like this. News you can't see alone. What I can't have, oh let go. If it's with you, I find it. Let's keep searching forever. All my love to you, love. My endless gratitude to you, yeah. To the stars that fall from my eyes.
Sambo.